As you guys may know, my book addiction has become a bit of a problem, you can say. So much so that my windowsill is completely full. I can no longer fit a single book on there. And instead of stopping my book habit and no longer buying more books, I thought the logical thing to do was to buy a bookshelf and to continue my habit. I could have worse addictions. So today we are going to build a bookshelf I bought on Amazon. It's so cute. It matches my room perfectly. As you know, I have this gold, pink, white thing going on, and it just fits in amazingly. Have I ever built anything before though? Successfully, no. But I think that this can work out. I think we can figure it out. How hard can it be? Come on. Fun fact about me, I cannot go to sleep without the sounds of rain. So I have a Google Home that I play rain sounds at night on. Before I started using this though, my brother, he got this little indoor waterfall thing, and I thought it would be perfect for my room. But it works more in your head than it does in reality because, as you can see, this thing is super duper clunky, and it also gets water all over the floor. I think the hardest part is going to be taking this downstairs to the dumpster because it's actually so heavy. This bottom compartment is filled with water. I'm going to have to dump it. Then we'll take this out. And then I feel like it's going to be pretty easy. We can put up the bookshelf, organize my books, and then I can see how much room I have so then I can continue my addiction. Got rust on my wall. This is why we're getting rid of this thing. Step one is done. I emptied out the water in the waterfall thing, took it out to the dumpster, and now we have to unbox this thing. See what we have. I do think I have to drill some holes into the wall, but how hard can that be, right? Scissors might be a good idea. This is so heavy. All right. This, if you can see, is what it's supposed to end up being. Let's see if we can make this happen today. I didn't dress like Bob the Builder for nothing. A is bookshelves. Okay. Bookcase bottom support. Step one. Let's get this thing fired up. All right, I love the energy. Lay down packaging carton or use carpet as a working surface. Can I read? All right. Do I need some C's? I'm really excited to get this together because middle school me is like kicking and screaming right now. She is so happy. I used to love reading when I was a kid. And as I got older, I just stopped because, you know, life, like you got to do other things. I went to college, all this stuff, but book reading has always been something I absolutely adored. And it's so cool to see so many people getting back to it too. I've learned so many important life lessons as a kid from books. So I'm excited now that I have a real bookshelf to really get back into it. Feels pretty good. Just call me Kalila the Builder. I'm sorry. I guess I'm gonna have to go book shopping soon since I have all this new space. I'm not gonna lie, that took a lot longer and was more taxing than I thought it would be. But I finally screwed in the last one. We are on to phase 3, which I think is screwing it into the wall. Surprise, surprise, people, it is another day. It took me forever to build that entire bookcase, but as you can see, it's officially up. I have all my books together and I am ready to start organizing. I've been thinking long and hard, trying to decide how I want to organize things, and I've seen a lot of book YouTubers do it in different colors, and I think that's a really good idea. I don't have that many, but I do have enough to fill this up, I believe, so I think it's gonna look really nice regardless. I put some nice little finishings up here at the top, and I think it brings everything together, but we'll do a final reveal at the end. Right now, we have to separate these bad boys. I think this is the most amount of books I've ever owned in my entire life, and I'm just so happy about it. Middle school me would be freaking out right now. And I'm nowhere near close to done either. It's crazy. All the blue books here. That already looks so good. I kind of just want these to lay down like that. That's really cute. I don't know if it's just me, but books really just make me so happy. You pick up any one of these and you're just in another world automatically. Doesn't this look so cute? I love how it came out. I think I have like 3 good orange books. I didn't realize how many I had until I had to organize them. Jeez. It's crazy because a lot of these books I haven't even read yet, but I already know it's going to be amazing because I'm picking from my own library. Like, I have a library now. Oh, I forgot Better Than the Movies. Oh, that looks good. Look at that. We're nowhere near done, but I'm already so excited. It's coming out really good. Is this considered pink or red? Is this more in the red family? Yeah, I think so. I think this is more green. It's a good transition to the green, right? I have a lot of black books too. But my ultimate dream is to be able to have one whole row of all the Twilight series. So I only have Midnight Sun right now, but I want to get all of them and have a designated row to my childhood. I think that would be really cute. What do you guys think so far? I'm kind of in love. This is the coolest thing I've ever done in my entire life, and it's mine. It's crazy. I can't wait till I fill this up, and this is just nothing but books that I absolutely adore, because some of these books are just here because I bought them. Like The Honeymooners, I don't really care about that book, but it goes and it fits my bookshelf, so whatever. It's over just a bit. Oh my gosh, that works perfectly. I think I'm gonna keep it this way. I think the only reason why I was getting thrown off is because I don't have enough books in each section. Like, I don't have enough red books for it to really be substantial. I don't have that many pink or orange, but I have a lot of books in total, just not enough in each category. So I think as I get more books, it's gonna fill out more and it's gonna look better. But for right now, I'm not mad at this. I've been sitting here trying to figure it out, and I think I can live with this. I think this is gonna look nice. I'm pretty happy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I am pretty proud of myself. This is my first bookshelf ever, and I do feel like a proud mom. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you want an updated room tour, because little things have changed here and there, and it looks a little bit different than it did when I initially did the room tour. So I think it could be fun if we did an updated one. Let me know if you want one, but let's see this final result. All right, guys, that's it. I am really happy with how everything turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.